Hedgehogs. Okay, we have hedgehogs. This should be what we need. We got the pencil. Alright, hello. Welcome to the new setup. It's changed because my computer is on charge. Laptop, I mean. Okay. My room is a bit of a mess at the moment. Alright. Got some stuff we can do a little bit of revision today. Physics. Some people love it, some people hate it. I'm quite neutral to it. I don't know. My science changes quite a lot. I generally like biology because it's probably the easiest one for me. Just pretty fun. And although sometimes like physics and sometimes like chemistry, usually there's like I feel for me there's positives and negatives for both of them, for all of them. So it kind of switches constantly. But anyway, I know a lot of you didn't do an exam. I did the Woodjack RS exam, and it's my final RS exam. A short course. I won't tell you much. From now, of course, I don't like to like reveal too much. But I did have a lot of time to revise. In the day, I forgot my lunch as well, so that sucks. I had it when I got back. You know, I had bad hay fever, even still. I was out of the session, but I think I answered every question. I understood all the questions, and I think that's the main thing. And hopefully, even if that one's weaker than the other two, which I feel like went really well, apart from that one question. You know what question it is. I don't need to say. You know what question it was. That one was the only thing that's really annoyed me. I know I've definitely dropped like 5 marks, but hopefully I can pick it back for the others because I not got below 7 RS and Bureau same if that was happened. In fact, I just want above a 7, ideally a 9 though, since I've got that. Anyway, I'm yapping too much. The whole idea for today, I'm just gonna mark this paper I just did earlier. Can I show you? It's got my name on because I like to write my name. Even on marks, this is wrong one. But even on mock papers, I like to write my name just so I don't ever get confused. I swear I've done this one before though. Oh, it's okay. If you remember much of it. Right, here it is. Oh, well, you can't see it well. So we're just going to mark that for the first half, and the second half, I've got a nice little poster we can do. I'll do it on the required practicals, and then maybe just to finish off today, I'm just going to go have a brief overview of all the topics, and half the topics, and then do the other half in the morning. Let's go check the mark scheme. That is known to be probably the most useful revision, which is also underutilized. Listen to Spotify. Right. Physics paper 1 combined, because I usually forget the combined bit. Combined Science 2023. AQA Physics past papers. Oh my, no. Wait, it's physics, isn't it? That ain't gonna sit well. Combined Science. Oh, okay, nice. I personally think though, if I was an examiner, I would not want to mark physics paper 1 all days. That would be so boring. Anyway, let's begin, chat. Let's begin. Oh man, I feel pretty tired. I had so much I wanted to do though today. Just energy does not equate. Oh, I gotta actually look in tomorrow though. Oh. Sorry. Right. Let's start. Number one, geothermal. And my reasoning behind putting geothermal was they're talking about renewable energy source, right? So I was like, natural gas is a fossil fuel, and nuclear energy just decays. That's not permanent. So geothermal was the correct answer. Next one is to the power line. That's just something you need to learn. No other way of saying it. That works. Okay. All right. Next one. Figure one. Clean power. Oh crap! My answer is long. I just waffled on about wind power. Power output from wind. Okay, I'm getting texts. Oh my gosh. No, I'll just take them later. Right now, let's see. The power output from the wind increased. Well, I think I must have mentioned that. Increased new investment in renew. Does that count? Let's see if there's anything else. More power. I did increase. I draw this line here because it stayed the same, but I guess you could argue it increased slightly. Didn't get that point. Power output increased. Okay, I'm mentioning climate change. That you cannot knock me for. Climate change. I'm gonna say new investment in renewable energy. Maybe I wasn't specific, but I swear it says except any other points. Does it? Please. Oh my gosh. Greater than solar. Frequency. I put stormy windy weather. Yeah, that license high in the winter and string months. Yeah. Greater than the summer and the winter. As intensity. Most sunny. Usually, maybe I'll add a few points. I'm gonna say that's full marks. So what I could have had, which I didn't have. Yeah, when did I say most? I didn't really say most wind was greater than solar. I could have put intensity. This feels like a geography question though. That's a complaint with this one. It just feel quite geography like, and I swear it's like. I swear that this is paper 2 topics anyway, but more. I'll put more sources built. Solar panels, turbines. Yeah, I imply a lot of these things, but I don't. Maybe I just was waffling a bit too much. So you can tell I'm a waffler. So some people like English, and other people hate it. You feel like you can tell that I'm the type of guy that likes English. I just waffle so much because I just like if I just say enough, then that should give me just enough points. Eventually, I'll hit the mark. Oh, what the heck? Oh, I missed the question. Okay, let's read it better. Where to the what B2B connected? There. Oh, I don't know if that can. So you're looking at the potential difference. So you're seeing before and after. Great, good across the system. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Also, I hope the examiner is a physics teacher, because otherwise they wouldn't know what voltmeter symbol is. Wait, I haven't even seen it. Oh wait, don't worry. Don't worry, I can get it. That just occurred to me. Like, whoopsie. Right, you can see this there. It's geothermal 36, 9, and all these points there. That's all indicative content. If you put any of those points down, you get a mark. I'm pretty sure you can describe trends in both graphs. Yeah, I said it increasing. I mean, I feel like I should put 4 for now because I didn't have the indicative content, but I have no idea if it would be the voltmeter. Right, now you're all caught up. You do definitely see this, right? Yeah. Okay. Voltmeter, total resistance must be less than 20 because total resistance to the resistance in parallel is less than the resistor towards resistor. Did I put that? I reckon I did. Resistors in parallel circuits total to less than the lowest resistance. One resistor is 20, the total resistance must be therefore below 20, and 26 is not lower. That is 2 marks. Potential different times is current times resistance, V is equal to IR, both of those get the mark. Didn't say symbol equation specifically. Oh, quite. Oh, my what? Okay. Don't get quite out of the simple conversion trick. 48 times 75, 3.6. Yeah, that's as simple as it gets. 3 marks. Whee! I drew curved line because it looked curved to me. Yeah, curved line of this best fit drawn. You've got to look. It could say a straight line, but look, if you do a straight line, notice that it don't really line up with all those points. Doesn't line up with that one. Doesn't line up with that. It doesn't line up with the 0. So you kind of need to have it curved. Usually, if it's curved, they're more closer together towards the end. That's a big clue. Label both axes. X-axis labeled resistance of R in ohms. Maybe I should have put the symbol, but I say that counts still. I say that counts still. But maybe I should be more careful in the actual exam. Right, I put that the reading from the graph didn't have any model answers. I put 5.2. But yeah, but couldn't someone just like do like a massive line of best fit, like whoa, and if it's just consistent, they still got the mark? Didn't feel right to me. 5.2, I guess I have just kind of random. Okay, I put systematic. I was like, I was thinking about putting random. I did think, well, I put systematic for the previous one. That one, I suppose the reason why it's systematic is because human error. I guess we'll just know for next time. And then this one, like I said, this one I do kind of remember doing parts. So if I get like a really good score on it, then it might be just because of that. Having done some of this before. Category 61%. I got 60%, 68%. They have healthy body percentage and they have unhealthy. I put if a student is in category A, they have a healthy body percentage of 60. If students category B, they have 68% body water, meaning they are unhealthy. There you go. That's pretty much as simple as. Right now, next one, potential difference is increased current decreases. That's quite simple. So energy power losses. I put step up transformer increases percentage difference. Percentage difference increase. Decreases the current and reduces the turnover and you replace it. Okay, now step up is transform. I think that would count. Anyway, could perhaps mention energy losses. Energy losses reduced. There's a lot of confusion which I have with power things. Maybe go over that and we'll put that in the. I think I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that if the power grid, the step down has a. Actually, we'll see this in a moment. Step up transformers have a higher primary difference than secondary difference, right? Potential difference. I actually do not like transformers one bit. We got it. I know it's AI generated, guys, but oh, sorry, mute mic. Hear me? Can you hear me? Okay. Right, just checking that it was working. So step up transformers, they increase the potential difference. More towards the primary coil. And they decrease the seven. It's the secondary a few times the primary coil. Okay, yeah. So primary coil, secondary coil is increased. It's great. So there's a great primary difference there. Primary. Okay, yeah. Step up has a higher secondary difference, while step down has a higher primary difference. Nice. Okay. Just checking that through. It is who I think it is. Y'all pinging me while I was trying to live stream. Bozos. Right. Time to get on to the next question. So 11,000 times that 6,000. Oh. Let me just write down the equation so I don't get confused. Times 6. Oh no. Over 11,000. Okay. I think I try to go with the put equation in. Is that it's an equation? Hold up. Physics. I did not see where that was in the physics equation sheet. Oh my goodness, there. Why did I not see that? Yeah, everything's in the physics equation sheet. Potential difference across primary coil times current in primary coil is equal to the potential difference. Ah, yeah. Yeah, that makes sense now. Okay, I know for next time. Whee! Right. Well, I don't think it'll come. I feel like that's quite an easy equation to come up. Let me try and predict an equation that will come up. They always do at least one, don't they? For spring constant times extension. I think it's going to be EQV coming up with chat, but don't rely on me all the time. I didn't realize that I posted that tissue will come up on my channel and then changed my mind to check out my history. Well, to check out my history, but forgot to put that on the channel. So I misled you guys. I'm sorry. Yeah, connection power. Okay. Less than the current. Hold on, let me see that circuit. Oh, they are connected in parallel. That's cool. Anyway, let's get down a bit. Oh no, no, the answers. Oh, I can delete the answers. Oh no. Wait on. Okay, got it. Got it back. You can't see this, but I'm going down on my screen right now. 3.4. Oh, dude, it's gonna get late. Ah. What's going on? All right. Now we go down a bit. Not down too much. Okay, so as the resistance of LDR increases, the current decreases. I got potential different decreases. Wait, depending on MP1, are you kidding? Nah, bro. Oh. I was waffling about the night and stuff. Dude, I think it's quite evident that I hate electricity. Alright, 13,000, yeah. I think I got the right way of measuring that. 0.2. Dude, put that into the equation. Yada yada. Okay. So the next one is peer review ionization. Ionizing, yeah. Add Geiger. Add Berkeley. Right. not all detected. So not all heads in the same direction. Spreads out. I think here I've put the answer. But I forgot to put not emitted by, not always detected. So I've put not all of the radiation heads in the same direction of the radiation detector. Some energy escapes the surroundings. I guess that's one mark. I'll say the crucial part, trying to answer the question. So not all radiation emitted is detected, and also add some radiation absorbed. Okay. That's saying so it's just run the reasons for not all is detected because some is not detected. When the mark scheme is really mark scheming. Okay. Next one, alpha radiation. I put that alpha radiation. Because alpha radiation, I put alpha parts can only travel a few centimeters in air. Yeah, that's allowed. The big average detected 10 centimeters. Okay, that's pretty simple. 392, is that? Oh, it's not. Wait, it is. 15 minutes, 1 half life. When I read this, I put there's a whole number of half lives. So I thought like 1 half life is 30 minutes. Like, that actually doesn't make sense. What I put is I divided 156 by 98. I think this would depend on the examiner. I get 1 mark for the answer. That's allowed. 4 over 2. I think that's because they've done exactly what I've done. 1568 over 2 over 1568 over 98, which is 16, and 16 is 4 over 2, which is the same as 2 over 4. So I've just done it like a different way. Yeah, I'll say 2 or 3. So I've done the equation. Right, today's random process. Yep, got that. Okay. Getting there now. This one's a bit stupid. This man is literally just not looking at the toy, just looking at the ruler instead. What a boozer. Measurement would be more accurate because then eye level or parallax error is reduced. I literally put parallax error. Avoiding parallax errors would get more maybe hit a max. I put more accurate measurement. Yeah, that's what we do. 0.64 GB98. Okay, I have that. Got the answer. That's kind of what I put. 0.64 98 times. Yeah, I put that. Cool. How do I know if that's 5 marks? Oh. So they have 1 mark for the conversion, 1 mark for putting all the values in the equation, 1 mark for the rearrangement, 1 mark for the full number, and 1 mark for the value being to 2 significant figures. Okay. Right. Energy from the toys is paid into the surroundings. Film energy is specific from the surroundings. Well, if air temperature increase, I would definitely. Right. That's worth 1 mark then. So I guess I have to explain what's a closed system. Energy remains this one air part could be faster, or air parts of increased kinetic energy. Increases kinetic energy, yeah. Air parts collide more with the wall. Increase the amount of collisions. Parts collide with more force. Wait, I had more force down here, but I think I get 4 marks anyway. Increases the amount of pressure. Cool. Right, next one, metal's good. I put metal as a good conductor of heat. Greater energy transfer. I put that in coin terms. Increase heating more quickly, decrease the temperature. I'll count that. Quicker. Then we got the particles. This, oh my gosh, bro. Right, next one. I put add more air to the chamber. Oh, does that count? I was to say it doesn't make a much difference. It's 1 mark. Okay, lubrication. Increase friction. Add hotter coffee. Okay. And decrease temperature surroundings. Okay, now pick one. Now it's consistent with their value. 58.9, okay. That counts. Now I have to go through strenuously and check each one. Mass. I don't know when to put that. Does that count? Probably. I put density as mass times volume, but I didn't mean that. Oh my god, bro. Let's just call it, like, we lose 1 mark from that. The rest of it's pretty on point. Okay, so we do 5 marks. Let's just get the tool. It's getting late. Anyways. Oh, I cannot even. Ah, my neck. I could, you know, it would have been nicer for me. I kept total. think I need to get my guinea pig in. Do I need the poster? So it's about required practicals, to be fair. Yeah, so 1, 2, 24, 6 plus the calculator. 1, 2, 1, 3, 6, 6, 9, 10. I actually might be easier for this one to count. I lost 1 mark though. Well, okay. I don't know if y'all agree. Oh, I'd say that's 14. I believe it's 14 anyway, but suppose that doesn't make much difference. Anyway, 3. Lose some there. Yeah, that's a quality. It's 5. Oof. Dropped quite a few marks there. Right. 1. Where's 2? No, that's 3 because I found that. 3, 5. Let's get 2. 7. 8. 2. 5. 1. 5, 1. It's 8 again. It's gonna be like 50 because I really don't like getting these 50s, bro. Always getting these 50s. It's 3, 2, and 5. 3, 3, 2, 5, that's 10. Flipping heck, it's 51. Right, I got 51 out of 70. That kind of sucks. Barely got there. Oh, my absolute neck is killing me. Right. I guess there's some topics I can revise in the morning now. Physics, mark. Combined. Group boundary is usually high 40, so I might be safe. Alright, 2023. Why are there so many histories? I just see so many histories, man. All I'm seeing. Okay, got it. Wait, do we? Wait, I'm trying to get it for this one. Dude, my neck is gonna die. Oh, my neck is killing me. Ugh. You know, I'm gonna have to turn off the camera. Alright, there you go. I found them earlier. Oh, wait, there we go. Quantum Trinity. To get it in physics 50. Oh my gosh. I was in by 1. I was in 9 by 1. Holy. And that could have easily been a mark on it off. Oh no, you can't see any, can you? My bad. I wasn't capping though. Y'all see it? This. That is dangerous though. But to be fair though, that's only for one paper. And I admit I'm doing a lot of papers. But I'll try and prove it tonight. I don't know if I have time to do the hang on my next academy. I'm doing the poster myself, but thanks so much for being here. See you in the stream, and I'll see y'all in the next one.